Welcome students. Today the topic is cinnamon bark and the microscopical and the macroscopical character of the cinnamon bark, and also the section cutting of cinnamon bark, presented by Shubham Pal, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Technology, JIT University. I would request to you all, please watch the video till the end. If you like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Now, synonym of cinnamon. First synonym of cinnamon is cinnamon bark. Next, Kolmi dalchini. And third one is Ceylon cinnamon. So, these are the some synonym of cinnamon. Next, the biological source of cinnamon. Generally, it is used of dried inner bark of the shoot of poppy seed trees of Cinnamomum jailasica or Cinnamomum vera. Shoot means that it is a organ system that gives rise of stem, root, flower, that's all. And poppy seed, that means coppicing is a method that has capacity to put out any shoot from the cut pieces of the plant or from stem or root. That is the method of coppicing, and those trees are called as poppy seed trees. So, biological source is dried inner bark of the shoot of poppy seed tree of Cinnamomum jailasica, and also it is called as Cinnamomum vera. Next, the family of cinnamon is Lauraceae. Family of cinnamon is Lauraceae. Next, the geographical source, that means in which places cinnamon is cultivated or found. Cinnamon is generally cultivated or found in Ceylon, Java, Sumatra, West Indies, Brazil, Mauritius, India. In these places cinnamon is found. Next, the chemical constituent. The active constituent present in the cinnamon bark is 0 to 5 to 1% volatile oil, 1 to 1.2% of tannin, 60 to 7% of cinnamaldehyde, 5 to 10% of eugenol, and also some portion of cinnamic acid. So these are the some chemical active constituent present in cinnamon. Next, the uses of cinnamon. Here some uses of cinnamon. It is generally used to as carminative. That means carminative means that relieve flatulence. It is also used as stomachic, that promote the appetite, and it has also some usage of mild astringent, flavoring agent, stimulant property also, and the antiseptic property. And it is cinnamon is also used as some spice material or condiment in our food stuff. So that all about some basic fact about cinnamon. First of all, synonym. Next, biological source, family, geographical source, chemical constituent, and the uses. Next, I will discuss about the structure of the chemical constituent, macroscopical and the microscopical character of the cinnamon bark, and some marketed product of cinnamon.
Now the chemical structure of some active constituent present in cinnamon bark. Here, the structure of the cinnamaldehyde. Here, the structure of the cinnamic acid, and the last structure of eugenol. Cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, and eugenol chemical structure. This active constituent present in cinnamon bark. Now, chemical test for cinnamon. First of all, a drop of volatile oil which is dissolved in 5 ml. That means volatile oil present in the cinnamon bark firstly dissolved in the 5 ml of alcohol. Then a drop of ferric chloride is added to it. Then we can observe a pale green color. Similarly, cinnamic aldehyde, that means cinnamaldehyde, gives brown color with addition of the ferric chloride, whereas eugenol gives blue color after addition of ferric chloride. Next chemical test about the alcoholic extract of the cinnamon. When it is treated with phenyl hydrazine hydrochloride, it produces red color because the formation of phenyl hydrazone of cinnamic aldehyde. So these are the two chemical tests of cinnamon. A drop of volatile oil firstly which is present in the cinnamon bark, which is dissolved in 5 ml of alcohol, and then a ferric chloride drop oil is added to it. Then a pale green color is produced. If those ferric chloride is added with the cinnamic aldehyde, it gives brown color, and if ferric chloride is added with the eugenol, it gives blue color. Next, the alcoholic extract of the cinnamon, when it is treated with phenyl hydrazine hydrochloride, it produces red color because the formation of the phenyl hydrazone of cinnamic aldehyde. So these are the chemical tests of cinnamon. Now, the macroscopic character of cinnamon bark. Color is, the outer surface color is dull yellowish brown and the inner surface color is dark yellowish brown. Outer surface is dull yellowish brown in color and the inner surface is dark yellowish brown in color, and it has fragrant odor, shape like compound quills like shape, and it has 1 meter in length in size and 1 centimeter in diameter. It is the size of the cinnamon bark, and the taste is aromatic and sometimes sweet when the cinnamon bark is treated with following by warm sensation. So these are the macroscopic character about cinnamon bark. Now the microscopic character. In cinnamon bark, in the microscopic character of the cinnamon bark, there are cork and primary cortex is absent. But in case of cinchona bark, the cork is present. But in case of cinnamon bark, cork and primary cortex is absent. But prominent sclerenchymatous pericycle is present. Phloem is present in the stellar part, and also phloem fiber, medullary ray also present in stellar part, and some secretory cavities which contain volatile oil is also present in the stellar part. In cortical parenchyma, there are some starch grain are there, and also in microscopic character of cinnamon bark, we can observe medullary ray, calcium oxalate crystal, and parenchymatous cells also. So these are some microscopic character, and in microscopic character there are no cork and primary cortex are there, but sclerenchymatous pericycle are present prominently. Phloem fiber, medullary ray present in the ciliar part, and secretory cavities also present in the ciliar part, which contain volatile oil, and starch grain which are also present in the cortical parenchyma. And we already said that medullary ray also present in this microscopic character of cinnamon bark, and calcium oxalate crystal and parenchymatous cell also present in microscopic character. Now this is the picture of the transverse section of the cinnamon bark. This is the transverse section picture of the cinnamon bark, and in the right hand side this is the microscopical view of cinnamon bark. This is the view under the microscope of the cinnamon bark when it is cut cross sectionally and placed in a side under a microscope. The picture is shown in the right side. In the left hand side, in the transverse section of the cinnamon bark, there are pericyclic fiber are there. Under the pericyclic fiber, scleroid also present. These are the calcium oxalate crystal. These longer are called as the medullary ray. This portion are called as the phloem fiber, and also this is called as the mucilage cell, and the round shape larger in size are called as the oil cell. So these are the microscopic character of the cinnamon bark, and this is the microscopical view of the cinnamon bark which are observed under the microscope. Also, there is the schematic transverse section diagram of cinnamon bark. This is pericyclic fiber, scleroid layer of the pericycle. This is called the oil cell. This is called as the medullary ray, and this black spotted different shapes are called as the phloem fiber. So this is another transverse section diagram schematically of cinnamon bark. Now there are some marketed preparation of the cinnamon which are available in the market in some tablet form, sometimes in powder form. So these are some marketed preparation of cinnamon which are available in the market in tablet form or some powder form. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.